In the previous video, I talked about the intro, the body, and the outro. I show you here, for example, what the intro is in this free linking agreement. But I also show you 2 articles about the linking and the compensation you're going to get for it. We are going to discuss 2 other things that are really important, and they make part of the body and the outro. So in the outro, you just put the person who's going to sign it, and they put the signature. And what important is, you need to put in the body and also in the outro, termination. Termination you put in the body, and government law in the outro. Doesn't matter. Technically, it's both in the body. But what I'm trying to say is it's important. Sometimes something happened with the company and you want to get rid of them. Most people have that. When you have a situation at the beginning, you are really excited about working together. But midway, a lot of things happen. You'll be like, you know what? I don't want to work with the person anymore. So let me get rid of them. So what you can do is you can put in the agreement terminations. How can you terminate the contract? And if you put it, it's easy to follow when you put it in. If you don't put it in, you need to look at the local law. And this is important. So what I want you to remember is when you have a contract, it's important to know which law apply to the contract. So if you're in one country, you can even say, I am in country A, so this law apply. But let's say you attract international company. So B is in country, let's say the company here is in company B, is in country B, and you attract them, they want to sponsor you. That's nice and thing, but keep in mind, if you are signing the contract with the company, make sure that the law in your country apply, not the law in their country. The reason I'm saying this is because when something goes wrong and you need to go to the judge or whatever, it's easy in your own country than outside your country because you don't know the rules in their country and you do not know how it works. Maybe some things in the contract doesn't apply. That's what I'm saying. The government law, most people underestimate it, but it's really important. So it's important to put in the government law, this agreement is governed by and shall be interpreted under the laws of the state or the country. You put it in here. It's that simple. So this document, you can download it on the link description in the description. If you have question about it, you can just go in the Discord and ask me, or if you have a situation you do not know what to do, just go in the Discord, create a support ticket, and I will see what I can do for you. It's that simple. If you like this video, like it. Seriously, like it. Press the button, 1 second, and you like it. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe. Information is free right now, so why not give me something in return? Subscribe. See you in the next one.